Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. I-discuss po namin sa inyo tungkol sa OSI, PDU, and TCP/IP. Ang OSI ay tinatawag natin Open System Interconnection. An ISO standard for worldwide communication that defines a networking framework for implementing protocols in 7 layers. Control is passed from one layer to the next, starting at the application layer in one station, proceeding to the bottom layer over the channel to the next station and back up the hierarchy. Yung nakikita nyo po dyan is yung table OSI model. Table ng OSI model na nagsisimula sa application pababa ng physical. Yan. Para daw po madaling tandaan tong sentence na to, meron po dito mga example na sentence na pwede nyong gamitin upang madaling tandaan. Example po, itong all people seem to need data processing. Ibig sabihin po na application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical. Ito po yung naka-encapsulation siya, kaya nauna po yung application. Tapos susunod po yung please do not throw it away, na kung saan naka-decapsulation siya, na ibig sabihin niya ay physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, application. Papansin niyo po kung bakit siya, di ba sa table na to, nauna po yung application dun sa unang table, samantalang dun sa pangalawa, nauna po yung physical. Yung sa first table po siya, naka-arrange siya from top to bottom na nagsisimula sa number 7 pababa ng 1. Kada step po doon tawag ay layer. Samantalang yung pangalawa po, kapag yung send to another one, kapag ikaw naman po yung nag-send ng information sa ibang tao, yung data nagsisimula siya sa yung data must go from top to bottom layer. Pero kapag ikaw naman yung nag-receive, magsisimula ito from bottom to top. Kaya tinatawag natin itong decapsulation. Ayun na yan nga po, yung example niya po dito, yung sa mail, pag nagpadala ka, syempre kung ikaw yung writer, magsusulat ka, tapos ipapasok mo sa envelope din. Yung pag-receiver, unahin niya, bubuksan niya din, babasahin niya yung pinadala mong email. Yung susunod po dito slide, makikita niyo po yung example ng yung whole process of sending and receiving information. Ayan po yung sending PC. Ikaw po, kunwari ikaw yung user nagpadala ng email, papasok po siya dun sa application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, physical. Kaya po siya ganyan. Ayun nga po yung encapsulation, na kung saan mauna siya sa from top to bottom. Then ayun po, papasok kay switch 1, then the outer one, internet, local network, long distance network, R2, then switch. Tapos ikaw naman mag-receive, magsisimula siya sa bottom, packet ng top. Then magsisimula tayo kay physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, application. Kaya po siya, kaya sa baba nagsimula, tawag po doon encapsulation. Siya brought from bottom to top. Then marireceive na po nung receiver. Yun po. Then understanding the layers. Layer 7, the application layer. This is the closest layer to the end user. It provides the interface between the application views and the underlying layers, telnet, FTP, email client, SMTP, hypertext protocol, or application layer. The program you are using, like a web browser, are not belong in application layer. Yun nga po, papansin nyo po, lagi po nauna yung application. dito, kahit naka-decapsulation man o encapsulation, siya lagi yung nasa taas, pinakamalapit kay user. Ayan po. Then, ayun nga po yung example nyo po, itong telnet, FTP, email client, hypertext protocol. Ayan po. Susunod na layer is yung layer 6 presentation layer. This layer ensures the presentation of data that the communication passing through are in the appropriate form of the recipient. In general, it acts as the translator of the network. Yung mga example po nito is yung you want to send an email. The presentation will format your data into email format. Ayun nga po. Or, kunwari po, nag-upload ka ng picture sa Facebook. Yung picture mo po, i-convert niya into GIF, JPEG, PNG format para sa picture. Yan po. Tapos, sa layer 5 naman po, yung session layer. Layer 5 establish, maintains, and end communication while the receiving device. For example, yung operating system natin, syempre hindi po kayo makakapag-send kapag wala po tayong operating system. SQL, network file system, ayun po, yung mga example nung session layer. And next, yung layer 4, transport layer. This layer maintains flows control of data and provides for error checking and recovery of data between the device. Yung mga example nito, yung transport layer, yung transmission control protocol, and user data protocol. Isang halimbawa ng mga transport layer. Sa layer 3 naman po, yung network layer. This layer provides logical address which router will use to determine the path to the destination. In most cases, the logical address here means the IP address including source and destination IP address. Ayun nga po. Yung halimbawa po nito ay ito. Yung destination network. Ayan. Tsaka yung source network nung magre-receive. Destination, galing sa'yo. Tapos yung source, yung papadala mo. Ayan po, yung network layer. Sa data link layer naman, the data link layer formats the message into a data frame and adds a header containing the hardware destination and source address to it. This header is responsible for finding the next destination device on the local network. Notice that layer 3 or network layer is responsible for finding the path to the last destination network, but it doesn't care about who will be the next receiver. It is the layer 2 data link layer that helps data to reach the next destination. Ayun nga po, siya yung bale parang di ba pag nag-send ka po nung mapupunta dun sa isa, kasi pag same yung gateway, pwede po yun. Pero pag sa gateway na yun, may 3 PC na kakabit, tapos yung papadala mo, yung gitna lang, dapat papasukin mo yung address nun. Kaya, yung data link layer po yung nag-handle dun. Para hindi siya maligaw dun sa una, o kaya sa kanan na PC. Yung itong data link layer, naka-divide siya into 2 sub-layer. Tinatawag natin logical link control or LLC, tsaka media access control o MAC. The LLC function includes managing frame to upper and lower layer, error control, flow control. Samantala ang MAC sub-layer carries the physical address of each device on the network. This address is more commonly called a device MAC address. MAC address is a 48 bits address which is burned into the NIC and card on the device by its manufacturer. Yung MAC address po na ito, nakikita po natin to sa mga cellphone natin, meron po yung kanya-kanyang MAC address. Bale, unique po to at walang kaparehas. Sa layer 1 naman, yung physical layer defines the physical characteristic of network, such as connection, voltage, levels, and timing. Sa physical layer po, ito na po yung address nung PC nyo at saka yung address nung pag-receivean nung pinadala nyo. Ayan. Dito na po tayo sa Protocol Data Unit o PDU. The term used to describe data as is moved from one layer of the OSI model to another. In this reference, PDU is often as and synonymously with packet. Ayan po, nakikita nyo po sa chart, si Protocol Data Unit, siya po yung may hawak nung network address, device address, nung destination. Ito po yung destination. Itong nakikita nyo nakaupo sa computer. Hawak niya din po yung sa network address at device address ng source destination. Itong telepono na nakikita nyo sa kabilang side. Then yung data. Ayan nga po. Bali dito sa cloud data, yung makikita nyo by tatlo router. Ayan po yung ilawakan do protocol data unit. Balik naman po tayo. Dito na po tayo sa TCP/IP. Introduction. Computer communication follows some well-defined rules and guidelines, which we call protocols. In order for the computer to exchange data, they have to agree on using the same rules, otherwise they become incompatible. That was the case in the past. This is one of the reasons to create a common model for communication. It was called OSI model, or Open System Interconnection. This was an attempt to make a different vendors computer exchange data easily. This is why IBM machine could talk to the machine and so on. Today, however, it is the TCP/IP model that is all pervasive. This protocol suite is derived from OSI model and somewhat closely follow its rules and terminology. Sa TCP/IP, ayun nga po, nagkaroon. Ito yung parang rules and guidelines na pinapalo ng mga networker and networking. Nakikita nyo po yung TCP/IP diagram. Kinonfer siya dun sa OSI model. Mapapansin nyo po, sa OSI model may 7 layers, samantalang sa TCP/IP 4 layers lang. Ayun. Sa TCP/IP, yung layer 5 to 7 is application. Then layer 4, transport. Layer 3, internet. Layer 1 and 2, network interface. Magkaparehas lang po yung trabaho nung application, transport, internet, network interface dun sa OSI model. Bali sa kanya, pinagsama niya lang para maging maikse. Ayun lang po. The end. Thank you po sa panonood.